Hey guys, GoUSA1789 here. Welcome back to another video. For today, I got an Xbox Series S. I finally lucked out and I got one. I'm very happy. And I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys to show everything that comes in the box. First, I'm going to show you around the box. So in front here you got a half picture of the console. And you got your memory, 1 TB down here, 4K 120 FPS. And then Series X over here and the Xbox over here. And on the left side, looks like you have specs, 4K 120 FPS, 8K HDR, and 1 TB memory, 4K Blu-ray. And then you have a picture of like the processor. I think that's what that is. And on the right side, you just have a picture of the console and the controller and the memory. And then Series X and the Xbox logo again. And on the back, you have a picture of Master Chief, and you have the Xbox logo, and you have more features down here like Xbox Game Pass, plays over 4 generations of Xbox games, which I think is very cool. And yeah, now I'm gonna open it. Here's what it looks like when you open the box. Here I'm pretty sure you got the Xbox controller and the HDMI cord and everything. So here's the controller. I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna show you the controller. Wow, this is cool. This is a cool controller. Here's what the controller looks like. And here is the HDMI cord. Looks the same as the Xbox One. And you got your power cord. And you got your instruction manual right here. And here is the console, what you've all been waiting for. Oh man, this thing is heavy. Ooh. Here you go. So here is the console. It's very nice, it's heavy. So in the front you got your power button up here, and you got your disk drive right here with the button to eject the disk over here. And on the left side of the console you got your fan, and on the right side you got your platform if you want to set it straight up. And on the back of the console you got your HDMI and your power cord where you plug that all into. And yeah, very nice console. Can't wait to play it. And here are all the components if you want to see them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll be making more videos of technology, video games, and etc. And for more videos, this is GoUSA1789 signing off. Goodbye, guys.